How to sell digital photos on Squarespace. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell digital photos on Squarespace. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Squarespace, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Squarespace, it is an all-in-one website building and hosting platform designed to help individuals, entrepreneurs, and businesses to create professionals' website without needing advanced coding skills, in which it offers a wide selection of customizable templates, drag-and-drop design tools, and built-in features for blogging, e-commerce, scheduling, and portfolio showcasing. And Squarespace also provides integrated marketing tools such as SEO optimization, email campaigns, and social media connections. So now to log in, just simply click the login button on the top right, and you can continue using your Google account, Apple ID, or even Facebook account in here. And after successfully signing in, you will automatically be directed in this dashboard. You can click create website on the top right to proceed, and you will be directed in here, where all you need to do is to simply select the website that you want to create. I'm going to click art and click next button. And from here, it will show you what do you want to do with your website. You can check some of the features, including to sell products, sell services, online course, and many more. And click the next button to proceed. Then from here, choose a template. And after that, all you need to do is simply select here the template that you prefer to start customizing. I'm going to click this one, for instance. You could also choose the color palette below, so you can simply click any of the color that you prefer and click start with this design. By doing so, it will show you that it is now setting up your website in here. Then this is basically what it looks like. You can now go on the left side panel and it will show you a variety of options to navigate. But to proceed adding or selling a digital product or photos, you simply go to the products and services option on the left side panel. By clicking on it, from here it will show you a variety of options to navigate or choose from. And since we're trying to sell digital photos, you simply proceed by clicking this download, which is a digital file for customer can download a book, PDF template, or audio file. Then under these details, you simply fill out the required information, and that includes the product name. You simply fill out here the name of the product that you are selling, the description of it, a button text. So for instance, I'm going to search or enter here donation template that I'm going to sell. And under image, you can click the plus button to upload a file or the image that you are selling. Or you could also create here a thumbnail if you want to. You can create using the website Canva. Moving on, under this inventory, you could also upload a file that the customer will be able to purchase, or the actual file that you're actually selling in here. Going back on this page, under button text, instead of add to cart, I'm going to enter buy now button right here. And after that, if you scroll down right here, you could also simply enter the price of it. In here, I'm going to enter, for example, 250 pesos, for instance. Under organization, you could also enter here the tags or inventory categories to bucket the products and many more. Basically, add here keywords to connect the related products. I'm just going to simply enter here random things. Then moving on below, you could also add a tax collection or automate tax collection. Under selling tools, you can turn on some of the following right here. It will show you under marketing what it looks like on SEO. Moving on, by clicking the save button on the top right, you can click the publish button to simply publish it or start selling the digital photos in here. It will show you the result of this donation template. You can click the three dots to edit it or delete. Moving on, if you also want to navigate your orders, it will show you in here under the order section. And you can also under invoicing to invoice the customer that has been purchased your product or the digital photos that you are selling. Under the finance section from here, you can even connect a payment processor. However, under settings and click selling button, under payments, by clicking on it, you can choose either Stripe, PayPal, or even Square as your payment methods or processor. However, all of this need to have an upgrade account or pro account on Squarespace to access this kind of feature. So since I'm using a free trial, I'm not able to access those feature. Moving on, you could also navigate some on the homepage, the things that you need to fill out, or also, and that includes to customize your checkout option. But to navigate or access some other features, you can simply click the subscribe button below and it will show us a variety of plan with the corresponding feature and benefits on it. But overall, that is just how you can sell digital photos on Squarespace. Thank you.